So you need woven wire mesh, and since sieve cloth and industrial woven wire mesh seem very similar, which one is right for my operation? I'll tell you everything you need to know, so stick around. Hey there, what's up? My name's Andrew Kotlar, and from mesh screens used for test sieves to the mesh filters used in extruder screens, there's a lot of different levels to woven wire mesh. Since sieve cloth and industrial mesh being the most common wire mesh variants, it can sometimes be hard to see the differences between the two. So, what's the difference between sieve cloth and industrial woven wire mesh? As a prominent woven wire mesh manufacturer with over 150 years of experience, WS Tyler is here to help you distinguish the differences and similarities that exist when comparing sieve cloth with industrial mesh. So in this video, we'll go over what sieve cloth is, what industrial woven wire mesh is, how the two types of mesh compare, and how the two types of mesh differ in price. Sieve cloth is wire mesh designed and constructed with specific nominal opening sizes and wire diameters that comply with ASTM specification E11 and ISO 3310-1 particle analysis standards. Generally, sieve cloth is used for the construction of standard test sieves. However, it can be customized to accommodate large-scale screening of dry, free-flowing material. Industrial woven wire mesh, also referred to as market-grade woven wire mesh, is a network of wires woven together to adhere to a set of specifications that can be used in a wide range of industrial markets, like filtration. Since it has more room for customization than sieve cloth, industrial mesh allows for a mesh with varying pore openings while maintaining a uniform mesh count. Now there's two forms of industrial mesh. There's square mesh and rectangular mesh. And just for reference, warp wires are the wires that run along the length of the mesh, and weft wires are the wires that run along the width of the mesh. So woven wire mesh that contains an equal number of mesh openings in both the warp and weft direction is considered a square mesh. And on the other hand, woven wire mesh with a different amount of wires in either the warp or weft direction is considered rectangular mesh. When comparing sieve cloth and industrial woven wire, the biggest similarity is that they're both constructed using some sort of metal alloy. Sieve cloth is typically made from 300 series stainless steel or brass, whereas industrial mesh can be made from a wide range of metals like different types of stainless steel, plain steel, Hastelloy, nickel, and titanium. Also, both woven wire variants look at a mesh count and an open area. The difference is when you're working with test sieve cloth, a number 50 is only going to be a number 50 with fixed nominal wire diameter and open area. This helps create consistency throughout the industry. Industrial wire mesh still goes by mesh count, but you can change the percentage of open area by changing the wire diameter, which allows you to adjust the allotted flow rate. You can have a 10 mesh with 10 openings in a linear inch with either thinner wires with larger openings or thicker wires with smaller openings. The pricing difference seen in all metal mesh, both sieve cloth and industrial, is based on material and usage. If you're seeking an industrial mesh that is relatively uncommon and unique to a specific use, you'd need the weaver to go out and buy the raw material to accommodate your mesh specification, which could potentially cause you to pay more per square foot than sieve cloth, which is a standard woven product. That said, the price of both sieve cloth and industrial is based on the metal market, so any fluctuation of mesh costs will reflect the overall cost of the raw alloy it's constructed from. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, fill out a Contact Us form so we can answer your specific questions. Just click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click that second link and you'll be that expert in no time. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things WS Tyler. Once again, my name is Andrew Kotlar, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.